Good morning! Here we are for the live stream, the pre-market watch list. We got SNTG popping up 80% on the day. This is what we like to see. This is what we like to see. SNTG, let's go! This thing has got some room on it, over 571. I think it's blue skies. No, not blue skies. I don't know. This could have been a different ticker too. So we got room up here on SNTG 570. You got room up to 7. Then you got room up to like 10. Oh man, I like the SNTG daily chart. Looking good here. This is what we like to see, momentum. Momentum can be here. Today is going to be a great, great day. Oh man. Looking forward to the awesome momentum on SNTG. Maybe it'll spill over into some other stocks. That's usually what happens. Once you see one start to get going 100%, 150%, 200%, the next one's kind of be right around the corner. I could tell the shorts are getting a little aggressive yesterday on the small caps on Neuro and the other one. I forget the other one. They were aggressive. They had no pop at all. Just literally just went straight down. So I think the shorts may be caught off guard today. There's a lot of bulls in the market today. SNTG, they pumped this from 4 to 560, 80% on the day. Good stuff. Good stuff. First viewer in here, thank you for tuning in for the live stream. Yes, this is the first week of live stream. Enjoying it, so I'm going to keep doing the live streams. I love interacting with you guys in the chat. We got our first viewer in here. Welcome to the stream. Oh, shit. A Chinese rocket was going to fall to Earth Friday. It should be headed to Florida. What? Oh my goodness. Look out below. This could be a bounce entry off the low. Maybe if we get one more red candle like this, maybe we'll get a bounce. Maybe something like that. I'll look to take an entry here at 516 or below this candle. Tight stop though, because it technically is now, it could be on the back side of the move. So you got to be careful with this setup. So we'll have potential support here. Potential support in here, potential support in there. Doesn't look like it's going to get that next candle lower. Good morning, the Green Trader. Welcome back again for the live stream. Yeah, that was the entry there off 24, 23. You could be up 2 or 3 cents right now. And then you get maybe a potential retest of 530. For me to get in at 27, see now it's probably going to reject here. So we're running into resistance now here on the 9 EMA. 9 EMA is well respected in the small cap market on the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. So here you got some resistance. You can tell sellers came in here as it was retesting 533. See if they can knock it down. If they knock it down, then it could be confirmed backside trend. If it breaks back over, then you have potential to continue front side. So yeah, if you guys are not using any moving averages, it could be a good idea. If you're not profitable or consistent, it could be a good idea to start implementing the 9 EMA, at least the 9 EMA. I don't really use the 20 EMA as much as the 20, but the 9 EMA is very well respected in the small caps. So it could be a good idea to put that on your charts. Maybe it will, help you with entries and exits, and whether, if you're getting in on a backside move or a front side move. The front side move is always going to be above the 9 EMA. Right now, it could technically either be in a range, could be forming a range, or it could just start to fade off into the distance. So that's what I like to use the 9 EMA for. I don't know why I have the 20 EMA. I never really take an entry off of it. It's kind of just there. Oh. Got 2 viewers. Welcome to the stream. We had a couple earnings yesterday. A couple earnings winners. Dash. I think we had Coin, did like a red to green. We had SQ Square. This thing went pretty nice. So a couple earnings winners. Market is gapping up today, slightly. Slight gap up today. Oh, wow. That was a nice bounce there. Whoa, okay. Now we are talking. So 65,000. I mean, I guess that's okay volume, pre-market. I'd like to be a little bit more, but that was a pretty decent bounce there off of VWAP. I did take a couple trades on SNTG here on this pullback, and I did close out for a small loss. So it's net down $6 today so far. Maybe we'll get some good volume here at the open for SNTG. Oh. Man, this coffee's like not kicking in, nothing. I didn't sell. I'm risking 520. Get out, break even, or I can hold. We're holding. We're holding. We're holding. We're going for the gains. Should have added down there. All right, let's get out, break even here. Come on. Only out half. Fill me, damn it. Come on. All right, had to bring my order down. There we go. That's a wow. Okay. So let's buy into that flush. Oh my goodness. This is dangerous. So there should be some support around 5. Maybe I should get out of this position and wait for a lower entry. Because I did get in kind of premature. So let's put a couple orders down in here. How much did I lose on that? I only lost like $2. Net down $2. So small size is key to these. This is a B quality setup, C quality setup. So small size is key. You know, if you can close small green on these setups, then you know it's great. And it's really about getting experience. It's a good question. I didn't even check that. No, there is no catalyst on it. Good thing you asked that question, because it's could be just a pump and dump. Reckless is coming in for the save here before I take a huge loss. But price action, I still think it might be worth it to catch a dip off of 5. Because then you'll get that pattern of the head and shoulders. Or that's not accurate. It's going to be one. There's the first shoulder. There's the head. It will be the second shoulder. So if you can get in here, or maybe you can get a couple of you can get a couple of points. But you know, this dip here is, you know, could still go another 10 cents lower. So I don't want to get in here and then, you know, maybe and then cut down here and then have it bounce. I could get in here starter and then look to add here lower if it does go lower, but then I might be in a bigger position and it's going to be a, you know, much more risk if it does fail. So it's either, you know, if you don't get that timing right, you're either going to be oversized or you're going to potentially cut it at the low. Oh, Duo is getting some volume. Let's take a look over here at Duo. So maybe you can get a move here to 250. 62,000 in volume and shares. It's not that much, but you might be able to get a good pop here to 230. See that nice bid there? Oh, it just left. He just left. He said nope. So I just sold for a 1 cent loss there. I'd rather take the loss than, you know, risk it having to flush. I'm cool with taking 1 cent paper cuts like that, because if it did hold up, there's a potential at least a 5 cent winner up to 150. If it broke 150, it would have been maybe 7 or 10 cents. So I took maybe about 3 or 4 trades today, and I'm down $10. So I think that's pretty good risk reward ratio. Right now, none of these setups are really, really A+. Like the volume wasn't there. You couldn't really tell that there was momentum coming in. So that's why I didn't really, size up. So I was able to keep my losers small. I haven't really had a winner yet today. But here we go. Maybe we can move up to 150. Just the volume is so light. 23,000 shares on a $1 stock. This should be at least 100K. And there's no news on it. I think I'm going to let this one go. It's just too light of volume. The problem is with the light volume is that it can flush hard and fast. Like the bids can just drop out of nowhere. SNTG curled up. SNTG curled up. Didn't go down to $5. So now you have, this could be a potential pivot point, 48, and break a 50, and then you get a potential retest of the highs. So we're at 1 cent profit potential. That gonna be it? 1 cent profit potential? Looks like that's it. Could have bought for the break of 150 and got 1 cent. Definitely not worth it. It's holding one. No, I'm not down, back down below. We also have a little bit of a trend. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. So still forming the head and shoulder top, it seems like. Still not sure if this is a backside move. Could continue in this channel. Could continue lower in that channel. Maybe come down to 5. And then reverse. I don't know. I'm just going to see what happens. Insider zone, 62% of the float. Let's take a look at FinViz on the SNTG. Duo at 154 now. So SNTG. It's at $5.63, so or $5.22, $5.22. So you can see there's a lots of pops and drops on this, so we don't really know what's going to happen. I don't really know, if this is actually going to continue. And this could just be, at the open, it's just going to flush like all these other days. But that one time that it doesn't, this could go up to 7 or 8 or 9. Because then the shorts are going to be completely caught off guard. All it takes is that one, and this is a 1 million share float. It just takes that one to catch the shorts off guard, and everything just turns around. The market, the small cap market, just changes. Shorts are becoming more reserved. Bulls are becoming more active. So this could be the one. It's a 1 million share float, but there's no news on it. But I still wouldn't rule it out. I wouldn't not trade it because there's no news on it. At least on TD it says there's no news. But, for this to pop up 80% on 1 million share float, I think that's news in of itself for traders to, get on. Short float 7%. So 7% of the float is short. So that's not that much. It's 70,000. 70,000 shares short, which is actually not that much. But still, 1 million float is pretty good. So the average volume on the day is about 300K. Right now we're sitting at well over that. So it's definitely an outlier day for SNTG. There goes Duo running to the highs. Duo. Could be a dip. SNTG. Let me pull back up SNTG. This could be an entry for a potential break of this downward channel. I think it's worth a starter at 5 because there's going to be some support at 5. There should be, unless it breaks below and just longs are just getting stopped out and it just capitulates down to like 470. That could happen too. I've seen that happen, but it could still be worth an entry off 5. Duo is going to the highs, so Duo wants to do that. I don't know what to focus on here. So Duo just double topped. This is coming down to 5. Will be really good if it broke 5 and it showed strength. Looks like it's not going to fill me at 503. Jesus. Nobody's slapping the bid. That's why. I think I just had to slap the ask. Could go for Duo here. Potential bounce back to break 164. I'm going to hold, see if it does hold this 9 EMA. It could flush. A lot of orders going through and it's not breaking. So I just added some more there. Being patient. This could hold because a lot of orders did go through and it didn't break. Oof, man. Come on, bounce. It's taking long, so just want to make sure I'm managing my risk. I don't want to catch a 10-cent flush. Yep, there it goes. I knew that was coming. That's why I started to size down before. So took a loss there on Duo. Down 21 now on the day. So SNTG got that $5 retest I was talking about. But it's under VWAP. And it's under the 9 EMA. So down 20 bucks, small size, which is good. You know, keeping the losses small. Pretty much every trade today was red. But I think I'm managing my risk. Still come out green today. Just gotta wait for good setups. For viewers, welcome to the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in for the live stream, pre-market watch list, live trading. Yes, I do live streams now. I just started this week and I'm enjoying them. So I'm going to keep doing this daily for pre-market live stream. So whenever you're free or you're trading, or you want to stop in to stay high, I will be here live streaming just a couple clicks away. Five viewers now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and like the live stream. I'm going to be doing this daily now, Monday through Friday. Pre-market live streams. There's also some links down in the description to the Discord. I launched my Discord as well earlier this week, along with the live streams. So check that out. Right now we have 23 members in the Discord, so trying to get that that growth in the Discord so it can get some more action and some more participation in the community. So Duo, I think it's worth a starter for a potential retest as a high. Here was the previous area that failed was 53. So that was like significant. That was significant support when I was buying off 53. So if we get back over 53, then it could be strong for a retest back to the highs. So we're getting some buyers there. I'm going to get in at 53. Maybe we can run up and retest those highs. Only 100 shares because it still could be just a backside bounce here. But we do have a double top, the potential break. It would be similar to like a cup and handle pattern that I'm looking at. So if we can get back over now 156, then we have a potential to get back through those highs. All right, there's 10K at 155, so unless I see that start to get chipped away, I could get a lower entry. That's what I'm looking at. So maybe get a candle down here, 150. So they're kind of walking this down. Once I see this chipped, I'm going to want to take an entry. There we go. Come on, buy. Would have added, but I did get an error message. So let's see if we get the break now of this pivot at 155. See some 150 support, baby. Let's see that support coming in. Come on, high or low here. Let's see that support and a rip back to the highs. Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. This is what I like to see. Come on, back up to 154. Let's go. What are we doing, bulls? Being patient. Pre-market, you got to be a little bit more patient. So I'm staying patient. I think it's a B quality setup. So it's worth small size. SNTG just got a nice pop there. Break that downtrend. Do I cut this one and move over to SNTG? I don't like to do two entries, two stocks at once. 152. This is taking too long. Come on, damn it. I'm going to hold 100 shares and just see what's going on here. So we just got to break a VWAP. Break a VWAP. So this could be actually the start of that head and shoulders. Or we can see a bigger rip. So this is getting all kind of crazy. So let me simplify this. So what is valid now? So potential head and shoulders, you got that support at 5, and then you got 563. And then here's a potential pivot. 550 is a major pivot for the highs. So if you get it up here, wow, look at this. Look at this. Duo, okay, sorry bro, I'm cutting this. We're focusing here on SNTG. Look at this volume. Holy crap. Let's go. Let's get some more volume in here. Let's catch this dip here. Still, this could be the head and shoulder, so I want to be careful. Maybe 522 for the 9 EMA. It needs to get up more, up above this line for it to be really looking good. This could just be a reversal pattern, you know, the head and shoulders. Reversal to the downside, I mean, to clarify that. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. I'm gonna immediately just, oh wow, okay. I'm gonna get back in. People like that dip. I'm gonna hold this. Only in 22 shares, what? That was a nice entry though off 22. That was a really good place to put my order. Got a quick flash down and a reclaim. Immediate 4 cents in profit. Still not quite a higher high here on right from here, so. Nine viewers, welcome to the stream. 9 viewers, 8 viewers. Somebody just left. 8 viewers, welcome to the stream. Thank you guys for checking out the stream. Doing live streams now, daily. Daily live streams, so hit the like button for that. I love doing this, love live streaming. Don't know why I haven't started this sooner, but love interacting with you guys, so hit the like button, consider subscribing for more videos. Been doing live streams, and wow, the SPY just dumped. What is going on here? Must be that report. Hopefully this does not weigh on momentum. Unemployment rate is higher than expected. Do we just go short here? Do we go short? Do we just short the SPY? If anything, I'm doing Qs, TQQQ or SQQQ. This is scurry. This is scurry. I want to get maybe here. 62. Ah! Fill me, damn it! Come on. Come on. Oh, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's see another nice green candle. Okay, maybe it's a red to green. I'm gonna cut that. I don't think that worked out too well for me, huh? Yeah, it didn't. The old pop and drop. Gotta love it. Gotta love the pop and the drop. This is why you respect the market. So now I'm red 29. Definitely did not have my fair share of green trades yet today. So maybe statistically, I have a nice streak of green coming soon. But I'm gonna lay off, trading now for a little bit until a good quality setup comes. What was that last order there? 43. Yeah, almost took like $1 share loss. Yikes. So I could have been, I should have just sold it all at 70 instead of taking half. Good morning, Katsuno. Thank you for checking out the stream today. SNTG, let's check it out. Wow, reverse split on DBGI. That's good. Reverse split. It only has 530 shares in float. Oh my god, it's crazy. Some crazy stuff. Well, now we wait. Back to waiting. Got sort of freaked out there on the SPY on an inverse ETF. This thing is just going to do a reversal. So let's do this. Let's go to the TQQQ. Oh, should have held that, huh? Jesus. Played myself again. What did I make, like $3 on that? I was a little bit conservative because I thought I was chasing. Okay. I see this. Now this would be chasing. If I were to start sizing in right now into this. That was a nice entry though, right in here. When do I get in? I'm gonna wait for a pattern. Is he going to do this again? Is he going to do another crossover here? Don't go yet. I know you don't want to go yet. Don't go yet. I know you want to come back in here. I know you want to do a little curl. Let's see a little curl. I'm looking for maybe something like this, like a U shape. Maybe that. I'm still getting used to this, large cap indices trading. Only just recently started to do this. I am net green on it, but small, overall my portfolio on these. Can't really trade these like a small cap. You gotta be more patient, wait for the pattern, and have a way longer hold time. I'm gonna put small size and just start like kind of slowly accumulating for the curl back through 1780. So we had sort of a double top here. My risk, VWAP. VWAP is my risk. That's it. If it breaks, that's it. I'm gonna cut it. Gotta be ruthless here. Gotta be ruthless. Wait for the curl. Let's wait for the curl. So rejected going lower. It's pretty much oversold at this point. I mean, it's knocked down all the way from this point. I think pretty oversold. Pretty oversold. So maybe my thesis is right. Maybe it's wrong, but I'm gonna hold. Yep. So another one there. Down 32 now on the day. I think I'm gonna sit tight until the market open. I gave it my shot here pre-market. Doesn't seem to be working. So I think it's best to just kind of sit on my hands until something comes that's just kind of up my alley. Because I don't want to get too far in the red. course, there it goes. Bottom freaking wick. Kind of love this, huh? Sometimes I think I need to sit tight. I mean, I took my fair share of trades today. A lot of small losers adding up. And again, here we go. Ooh. I think the spies or the TQs or the spies can end up doing that move that I was waiting for, just slightly off. Cut it right at the low too. All right, so SNTG is still grinding its way up. I'm kind of hoping we don't get the breakout until the open, because it could then be more explosive. SNT, another pop with a topping tail. There she goes. There she goes. Do I even want to look at my sell order here? 34. So I cut it here. Roses, welcome to the Discord. Thank you for joining the Discord again. If you guys are new to the stream, I launched my Discord earlier this week, so check it out. The link will be in the description. Let's see what's going on here on the TQQ. Could be a dip entry. Could go for it again. Maybe it'll be a winner. Maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. 11 viewers now. Welcome to the stream. 11 viewers. That is near the upper end of what I've ever had. I think 13 or 14 is the max I've had at once. But 11, nice, nice. Thank you for tuning in. Right now, watching just the overall market, watching SNTG. SNTG is making its move, however, slowly and very, very grindy. So, trying not to get lost in the chop. Right now, could look at that spread. Wow. I think I'm just going to wait till it open to trade. SNTG right now, spreads are a little bit high, and it's really grindy. Tight stop, tight stop. Let's see if that we get the fall through 1780. Come on. Next add through 70. Next add is through 69 and 70. SNTG broke the highs. SNTG, still kind of grinding. Okay, SNTG is going here. Holy crap. Oh man. Oh man. Shorts are getting squeezed here. Come on, bounce. Hold 100 shares. Seems like there's lots of support in here. Let's see. I'm gonna hold this. Come on. Yeah, I didn't make any progress there. It goes. I made a lot back there. Should have held it though. Ah, man, I gotta learn to hold longer for these types of stocks. I gotta learn to hold. I had the right idea though. The curl back to the high. I faked myself out here. I went for it here, but timing was off. Cut it for break even, and then I finally got it here. I made back most of those losses, so this is good. SNTG is back at what it does best. BK Gapper, what's up? Morning. You're part of Relentless. Yes, Relentless. What a great community over there. I used to watch Relentless all the time when I first started. Yes, SNTG is the one I'm watching. Also, you know, the overall market. Getting some exposure to that as well. Burger King Gapper. Is that your name, Burger King? Burger King Gapper? Is Burger King even a stock? Burger King stock. I've never even seen this before. No, it's an Asian restaurant brand? No, it's gotta be American. It's American. The multinational chain of fast food, BK. Let's take a look. It says it's in Restaurant Brands Asia. That can't be right. Burger King stock. Burger King Holdings. Is it BKC? Burger King. Not a bad stock. Not a bad stock. BKC. What? It's not even on here. I don't think there's a Burger King stock. Sorry, Burger King Gapper. There's no stocks on Burger King. Yeah, it's Restaurant Brands, so it's a parent. It's the parent. Restaurant Brands International, RBI. So I guess it includes other restaurants. Oh, RBA. This is Richie Bros Auctioneers. I don't, what the heck is Google saying? This can't be right. This is not Restaurant Brands. Restaurant, how do you spell restaurant? I forget. Restaurant Brands, QSR. Restaurant Brands International. It's QSR. That was a nice dip though during COVID. Nice. Somebody's calling out PKBO. PKBO. PKBO getting some volume. Check out the okay. Could get a break of 8 here on PKBO. Still light volume. 22,000 shares, so still light. Be careful. I am not buying this dip. Look at this crash on SNTG. Definitely not buying this dip. This could be it for SNTG. That's it. The last one left here is PKBO. PKBO is saying there's a 0 shares outstanding. No idea the float on that. I'm not buying this dip. SNTG, what the fuck? This thing drops $1 a share in 1 minute. Oh my god, this is why you don't buy the dip. That's why you don't buy the dip. Oh my goodness. I feel bad for anyone who's in that. I really do. Ross must have sold his shares there. That's probably why it crashed. Ross Cam must have sold his big daddy position there at 566, letting all of his followers hold the bag. Ross Cam just screwed his subscribers. That's SNTG. Some of these memes, man. They crack me up. They crack me up. All right, sitting here a break even on the day. I'm gonna wait for some good stuff at the open. Maybe we'll get something good at the open. If not, I might wrap it up on a break even day. There is no shame in a 0 trade day or 0 profit day. All right, back to just chilling here. PKBO, let's see if there's any news on this thing. I didn't even check. PKBO. Looks like just initiate coverage, closing of a common stock offering, and a buy with the target price at 15. So not the best. Nothing significant. But it did go from 5 to 8 on low volume. Maybe at the open we'll get a break of 8, and then maybe it'll just reject. Because we have a flat top here, I think it might break out a flat top and then just reject. I've seen that many a times. It's a recent IPO, so who knows? Actually, if it does break 8 and hold, it could go to 12 or 13. So it's a recent IPO setup, PKBO with semi okay news. Mr. G Investing, welcome to the stream. What's going on? Thanks for stopping in. We got 10 minutes to the open. We're watching PKBO. We're watching the overall market, I guess. You know, you can't discount, trading the overall market. You know, the SPY or the Qs. SNTG just had a huge dump. So that could be out of the chances of ripping. What else? That's pretty much it. We have Duo. Let's check out Duo. Where's that at again? So Duo is fading. I did go for Duo for a retest of the highs, but it didn't resolve. So SMTG. Again, SNTG is a low float, very low float. 2.1 million float, actually. 2 million shares outstanding, 1 million float. So, I mean, this could do a red to green. The supply is small enough. It just depends on whether if the bulls are coming out to play today. You can kind of tell there was a flush coming because, you know, before this, it was just kind of grinding up, and then like only the highest volume of the day was on green candles. And it was just only popping and then just kind of consolidating, popping once, consolidating. So like there are a lot of longs trapped, you know, if they're accumulating here, accumulating, and then they got trapped here, and it just liquidated all of the longs. Just stop orders, or they did not even stop orders. Just everyone's just panicking out. There's no stop orders pre-market, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so we got 5 minutes to the market open. I'm going to wrap up the stream here and get ready for the market open. We had a little bit of action here pre-market, but right now sitting about slightly red, down $11. I'm going to just wait for some good setups at the open and get green, walk away, enjoy my weekend. So hope you guys do well today and get green. Good luck again if you guys are watching the stream. Right now, hit the thumbs up button. Also, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. I'm going to be doing live streams regularly now, so check in again next week on Monday for another live stream. Also, check out the links down in the description. I did launch a Discord channel, so check that out. The link will be in the description, as well as other links to other pages. So check those out, and I'll see you guys next week, or later today for the